Hello friends, today is a hot summer day and we are here again, Mr. Ane Oberoi and his father. We are doing a video on some new toys collection and stuff what Ane has got. So let's start the video. Ane?
Hello friends, this is the blue whale and this is very soft and very good, and this is water coming up and very wow, color. The color is very good, and this is very soft toy, and this is Hot Wheels Avengers collection. The four cars. This is a Captain America car. Then this is the Doctor Strange car. Then this is Black Widow car. And this is Iron Man car.
Wow, so the cars look really nice and they're beautiful. The colors are very nice and it's a nice collection. Okay, Ane. So next comes, what is the next toy you're showing, Ane? Transformers. Wow. So that's a new transformer. So Ane is very organized. He's taking out the toys, keeping everything properly. Very nice. So
This is a Transformers car, and this is small and very good. Then this is a back side, and this is a non side. This is very good, and this is super good, and this is then
Ane, I think you should speak little loud.
this is very good and very small and very good.
Wow. So this looks really nice. It is a car and it converts to a transformer. So it's a good toy. Okay. So next, let's start the next toy. What do you have? Oh, that's a nice car. What is the color of this car, Ane?
Red.
Red. Show me the car from the outside. How the car looks. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. So just do the unboxing. From here. So that's the unboxing he's doing. So you keep it here. You keep it here. Do the unboxing from here. So here's the unboxing of this car. And Master Anna is doing a very good job showing us the car.
This is rule book, and
Oh, it comes with a manual. There is a manual which comes with this car.
then this is a very good car, and
Switch on the car.